Hey guys, so here I go again, doing stuff without recording, but we have taken the car under the knife once more, and that is to remove the AC. This is for Club TR. The AC condenser, compressor, flywheel. Weighs about 20-25 pounds. I don't know if that includes the evaporator in the cabin, but I think that's an easy thing to take out. But I tried salvaging the lines, but you can see the tool here. I ended up just cutting them because I was getting frustrated. This is the low pressure hose connected to the compressor. This is also a compressor hose or a low pressure hose to the compressor. So all we need to do now is take the evaporator out. We got the lines out. Going to have to pull the condenser, which is in front of my radiator. So I think I have to drain my coolant. All right, well, that's always fun, but at least that's out. We are also doing a pulley removal. There's an idler pulley right there. That one, I believe, yeah. That was removed in later versions of the Z. So we're gonna remove that, and then all that really requires is pulling it out. There is a spacer for the power steering pump because of where it's hard to see, but this idler pulley actually stacks on top of the power steering pulley pump. So I need a spacer for that once I remove this pulley. As you can see, it's got like, it sits on a weird tripod mount, and that part right there, that's that underneath that, goodness gracious, like right there is where the spacer goes, and then a new belt. So I will keep up with you guys through this process. There's just a bunch of AC oil everywhere, but yeah, we're making progress again. This is for 20 pounds, but hey, we gotta do things to get it competitive. I'll be back. All right, guys, so we have the passenger side dash all taken apart once again because we're not getting rid of the blower motor. The housing, that was a pain in the butt takeout. Some people said it just drops down, like it just drops down right here. That's not the case. What's it called? That pin right there is slid in to that piece, so it slides in like this and up. And I was fighting me for a long time. You see, I have my nice little dead hammer there. Took it off, and we only broke like one piece on it. But the second hard part is this cover here for the HVAC system, because behind this lies another piece I'm going to take out, because we're not taking the we're not keeping the AC. So see if you can see it there. We see that core right there. That is the evaporator. And we're going to take that out and measure it, weigh it. But, it's cramped in this car even without a seat, so I'll be right back. All right, guys, it is the next day. I had some breathing issues last night because insurance is fun. But we got that sorted, got some medicine. I can obviously talk now and breathe. But as you can see here, we have a whole mess still in the car. But we got the evaporator out. and lines, and I'm gonna have to clean up all the AC oil because I'm an idiot. But this whole thing is was the biggest pain in the butt to take off. But now we're going to have, see how much this weighs. If it would stand up properly. Unit. This thing weighs 4 pounds, 15 ounces. So 4 pounds lighter on the front of the car, front-ish of the car. And then what we have left is the condenser up here and the compressor right over there. There we go. So I'm thinking this is like 7 pounds, the condenser, and that's also like 7 pounds. So 14 plus 4, taking out 18 pounds from the car. And I'm going to put this all back. I'm going to keep the heater core in just for a defogger. And I know the condenser evaporator acts as a dehumidifier, but when you increase the temperature of air, you allow more moisture to be, for lack of a better term, be able to be absorbed in the air. You know, I have an atmospheric scientist degree. I should be able to talk about this. But at least with the heater core, I'll be able to heat the air in the cabin and prevent the windshield from fogging up as easily. Without the AC being dehumidifier, it's going to lessen the effect, but still, we should be good. And then we can also put, what's that stuff called? The yellow label. Basically, just a film of stuff that prevents fogging on the inside. I have a squirt bottle of it somewhere. Anyways, yeah, I just wanted to conclude the video properly. The last video I took, I was like wheezing and short of breath the entire time. But yeah, we have the evaporator out. And I'm actually going to get the scale because I use the scale for my espresso. But yeah, pretty stoked. This was a pain in the butt because, again, that housing wouldn't come out properly. And I'm really hoping it goes in easier than I took it out. But that's not the case most of the time. So thanks for watching. I'll see you guys soon.